Hi guys, welcome back to ProTorials. So today we're gonna be doing a tutorial for web scraping. Web scraping is basically web automation, and for this we're gonna use Python, and we're also gonna use a library called Selenium. It's very useful for web scraping. Web scraping is basically web automation. So with web scraping, you can visit sites by just running the code. Like you don't have to open Chrome and type in Amazon.com, for example. So that's web scraping. That's a very brief introduction to web scraping. There's a lot more, but that's that. Okay, let's get started. I have a folder here called test. To start with, you just need to make a folder. I'm gonna open up Visual Studio Code. Wait, hold on. Okay, so this is Visual Studio Code. Already opened it. I'm gonna click open folder and I'm just gonna drag test here. Open. And in test, I'm gonna open a new file called test.py. So we're just gonna practice here. Learn a bit about the basics of web scraping and things like that. So there's some boilerplate code that I already have in my notes. It's just this. I'm gonna walk through it, alright? From Selenium, import WebDriver. So the library is Selenium, right? And most of you probably don't have it yet if you're watching this tutorial. So you have to download it, and the way to do that is you go in terminal and you type pip3 install Selenium. That's how it is for Mac, at least. For Windows or Linux, well, I'm not very sure, but the pip3 install Selenium, and if that doesn't work, try pip install Selenium. Well, for me, it says requirement already satisfied because I already have it. So that's it. Now WebDriver is a thing that allows you to visit the web browser. It allows you to open up Chrome, Firefox, Safari, stuff like that. You also have to import OS and import time. You want the program to have like pauses and things like that, right? Next, we're gonna declare a variable called browser in here. It's gonna be equal to webdriver.Chrome, open bracket, /Chromedriver. And you guys can copy paste this because it's a bit hard to memorize. That's why I also copy pasted it. But this is all we need to sort. Okay. So to start with, I'm gonna write browser.get. So browser.get will get a website. And I'm gonna try to start with a very well-known website, https://www.amazon.com. And we can try to test this by running it. Later. Okay, it's gonna say new module name Selenium for me, because like for some reason the thing just doesn't work for me. But when I type Python 3 test.py and I press enter, this thing's still gonna work, so not to worry guys. So press enter. Oh, there's one other thing I forgot to mention. You also need a Chromedriver here. The WebDriver that, well, we're gonna be using Chromedriver, so it's gonna open up Chrome, right? And basically, for us to get Chromedriver, I'm just gonna open a new Chrome tab here, and we're gonna have to search up Chromedriver. And the first result, you're just gonna have to click it. Next, we also have to figure out what is my Chrome version. So you just have to search that up. You're gonna go here, so there's this website, and it's just gonna tell you what your Chrome version is. So my Chrome is Chrome version 83, right? And I'm just gonna click this Chromedriver 83. And if I click that, the website's gonna supply me with a few links, and I'm just gonna click the one that matches me. So Mac64, that's it. If you open the zip file, you'll get this, and you just need to drag it in the same directory as the .py file. Alright, we're gonna clear this and then we're gonna try again. Python 3, selenium. No, that's what we want. As you see, it's gonna open Google Chrome and it visits this Amazon.com. Alright, we're gonna practice a bit more. So, with selenium, you can do stuff like click and input forms, things like that. And what we do is we have to inspect the HTML. I'm gonna get this pointer here. You just have to hover it over the one that you want to fill out. So let's say that you want the search bar to be filled out with the word phone, right? Phone. What you do is, so for those of you who are familiar with HTML, this thing's an input, right? And you just have to copy. And you're not gonna copy the entire thing, you're just gonna copy the XPath, which is like a thing that helps it direct. So we're gonna maybe like set it to a variable. So we're gonna call it search bar, right? Search bar equals, then we're gonna have to type browser.find underscore element by XPath. And then in brackets, you're gonna have to copy paste the XPath to tap search text box. So what it does is, it's just gonna try to find the thing on the website with the same XPath as this. That's why it's called find element by XPath. And we're also using the browser variable here. And then there's also this, right? Import keys. Now this thing will help us to assign text for the input forms. We're gonna do search bar dot send keys and make sure that you type it out like this, and phone, right? Because we're gonna search up a phone. Next, we also have to click this, right? The search button to submit input. We're just gonna copy the XPath again. It's here. Now we're gonna set our variable to it. Search button maybe. And we're gonna place this inside here. Boom. Next, we're gonna do search button dot click. So click is our function in the Selenium library, and we're just gonna click this thing. We're gonna command S, and we'll delete this. Otherwise, like they're gonna start to pile up. Once again, we're gonna do Python 3 test.py. Let's see what happens. All right. See, as you see, it auto-completes the thing and it searches the sub, and we get a search results for phone. So the thing works. Okay, so that's enough of the tutorial. So what we learned today was we learned how to go to Amazon, use send keys to search up stuff on the search bar, and then click the search button. And that's pretty cool. So please like and subscribe and share the video. And I'm sorry for let's say the substandard sound quality and maybe the not so good mic or the not so good camera. So we're gonna try to invest a little bit on that in the future. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna be doing a lot more web scraping projects in the future, maybe. And well, thank you guys.